मैंने कहा मेरा सीए से कोई क्वारल नहीं, मैंने शुरू में ही कहा था। मैं फिर से वापस आ रहा हूँ, मेरा क्वारल क्यों होगा, थोड़ा सा है, वो है अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी पे। मैं संविधान को मानता हूँ, मैं संविधान के अगर कोई चीज़ अनुरूप नहीं है, कोई कानून, तो वो गलत है।
Since you are constantly being told equal treatment, we should be concerned about the people here, we should always think about only the people here. What is my friend's position on the Uniform Civil Code?
तेरा बाप आया।
हाँ, अब मैं आता हूँ उस बात पे। मैंने कहा मेरा सीए से कोई क्वारल नहीं, मैंने शुरू में ही कहा था। मैं फिर से वापस आ रहा हूँ, मेरा क्वारल क्यों होगा, थोड़ा सा है, वो है अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी पे। मैं संविधान को मानता हूँ, मैं संविधान के अगर कोई चीज अनुरूप नहीं है, कोई कानून, तो वो गलत है।
Okay, so one very quick question that many people bring up: Article 14, ultra virus.
No, I'm on Article 15. I'm not on Article
15.
Okay.
A quick response. It's just ultra virus of the Constitution.
Can I explain that? Then he can rebut that. Okay, my argument. Let me place my argument.
Okay.
Section 31C of Citizenship Act, which came by the 2003 amendment, for the first time said that a child born in India will be an Indian citizen if either of the parent are Indian citizen and the other is not an illegal immigrant. I'll wrap it up. Okay? Is not an illegal immigrant. Now place this like this. I am a Muslim, born after 2003. I'm an Indian citizen. My mother is not.
Sure.
My mother is an illegal immigrant. Similarly placed, there is a Hindu kid on the same footing. He can take advantage of the CA, I cannot. Article 15 says there cannot be a discrimination on the basis of race, religion, caste, gender, so on and so forth.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
The problem with this argument is that a Pakistani Hindu refugee who has come through a legitimate refugee channel is being equated with a Bangladeshi Muslim immigrant who has come through the illegal channel as part of this particular definition.
Talking about born in India.
When Pakistani Hindu
I'm
refugees...
talking about Indians. I'm not
exactly
even talking about Pakistanis.
A Pakistani Hindu refugee and an Indian parent, so to speak, when they combine, it's a marriage between an Indian citizen and a refugee within Bharat, which is recognized by Indian law. But when an illegal migrant wants to marry a citizen, that is not the same as a refugee marrying a citizen. That's point number one. Two, since you are constantly being told equal treatment, we should be concerned about the people here, we should always think about only the people here. What is my friend's position on the Uniform Civil Code?
See, this obsession, no,
No, it's not an obsession. It's a legitimate
See,
question.
jumping, ज्ञानवापी दे दो, ये कर दो,
It's a matter of
तुमने संविधान के पे, I raised a question on point of law, you did not respond.
Mr. Anas, let's not change the goalpost. He's asked you a valid question. We've got 20 seconds. I'm asking you. The Constitution itself says we should give ourselves a uniform civil code. The Supreme Court itself...
It is part of DPSP.
Yes,
it is not part of fundamental right. First, let me realize my fundamental rights. That is the priority.
It is an objective of the Constitution of India.
No, fundamental rights are the priority. First, give me that.
It is a directive principle. You aspire towards that.
The state aspires for that.
It is an ideal that we must aspire to, as the Constitution also upholds many other ideals to aspire to. No, not time.
You won't give me time to respond, and you.
Please go ahead. 1 minute.
See, no, you haven't even raised a question. What will I respond?
No, I've asked you. I said, how are you saying that this is a...
See, UCC is part of DPSP. मैं अभी fundamental rights की लड़ाई लड़ रहा हूँ. अभी मेरे पास खाने को नहीं है. इस देश में इतने लोग हैं जिनके पास मूलभूत चीजें नहीं हैं.
So it's okay if exceptions are made for certain communities.
Exactly.
Those
Preserve
exceptions
our
can
respective religious freedoms and give us the ability to oppose anybody else who is being actually affected in Pakistan. That's the simple
Article 12,
argument.
which is part of fundamental right, protects my personal right.
Okay, gentlemen, I didn't anticipate such passion.